Here's how you can make money online relatively quickly, even if you are a broke college student. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. Also guys, don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. So there's a ton of different ways to making money online nowadays, especially on the internet where there's a limitless amount of options that are available out there. However, if you are a college student, chances are, time is not really on your side. Maybe you've got like classes to attend, maybe you've got exams to prepare for. And if you're a college student, usually it also means that you are going to be short on cash as well. So how can you get started online? How can you make money online as a college student if time is kind of limited for you and you don't have a lot of money to spend to get started? So here's the thing you need to understand first before starting out and trying to make money online, okay? First of all, in order to make money on the internet, you need to be able to provide to the people something of value. You need to be able to provide them with value, because when you provide to your audience something of value, they start to trust you more, and eventually they start taking in your recommendations to buy this product or to click on this link. So providing value is really how you make money online. By providing value, you get more and more trusted people to come to you, okay? And how exactly you would go about providing value to your audience, you may ask? Well, by creating content, okay? Creating content, valuable content, is how you will have people trusting you. And the way it works is you want to create a lot of content, especially if you're going with free traffic, because as you create more and more content that is extremely valuable in the eyes of your audience, you will start gaining more and more followers and gaining more and more traffic. And what you really want to do is you want to put out as much content as possible, because the more content you put out, the more exposure you will get, and the more exposure you will get, the more clicks you will get, and the more clicks you will get, the more sales you will get eventually. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there that you can create content on that will generate a lot of traffic for you. You've got like Facebook, you've got like YouTube, there's Instagram, there's Pinterest, and all those platforms are very, very good. But the one I want to share with you today is TikTok. I'm sure you've heard about TikTok. TikTok has been blowing up like crazy over the past 2 to 3 years now, and one of the main reasons for that is because people seems to be able to get views more easily or easier on that platform compared to some of the other platforms out there, okay? And one of the main reasons for this is because TikTok is fairly new, at least quite new compared to Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, etc. If you have a look at some of those accounts that I have opened up here on TikTok, you will see that those people are doing something called affiliate marketing, where they are creating content around a specific product or specific course. As you can see, this particular individual here has 50,000 followers, and she's saying that she's an affiliate marketer, and basically she's creating a ton of different content and promoting a particular product. And the product that she's promoting, if I'm not mistaken, I think is Legendary Marketer. And basically her whole TikTok account is just creating content around this particular product. And this is something that you could do as well, because this is an easy way to really create content online. And here's another one here, this person here, he's got like 30,000 followers, and he's doing exactly the same thing as well, where he's creating a ton of different content in the make money online niche as well, and he's also promoting a particular product. Here's another one. So a lot of people, as you can see, do this, where they create content on TikTok or on other platforms, and then they generate traffic to their affiliate offer. And the reason why they are choosing TikTok is because TikTok, as I've said, has been blowing up over the past few years, and it's usually a little bit easier to get views on this particular platform. So you want to do something very similar to this, but not exactly the same. What I want to share with you is a strategy that is slightly more different, because what they are doing has been very saturated on TikTok. There's so many people doing this, where they're creating videos on how to make money on the platform. And most of them are promoting exactly the same course. Now you could go and do the same thing. If you're lucky, this might work really well for you. A lot of people has had a lot of success doing this. But what I want to share with you instead is you want to do something similar but kind of different. And what I mean by that is, instead of promoting the same product that they are promoting, you want to promote something more like a software, for example. So you got a ton of software out there that have a really good affiliate program, like for example this particular software here, which is a software and animation video tool that allows you to create a lot of really cool, awesome looking videos. And they have a really nice affiliate program that you can join and earn commissions from. And you can promote this and earn, $15, $20, $50 a day, $100 a day. Here's another one here called InVideo.io, and this is a tool that allows you to create really good looking, professional looking videos. And they also have a very good affiliate program that you can join, and you could promote this on TikTok and really start making affiliate commissions. You could also promote like email marketing softwares. So software is something that you could have great success promoting on TikTok. So instead of doing exactly what they are doing, which is promoting a high ticket course, you could do this. This could work for you as well. But because this is so saturated on TikTok, what I want to share with you instead is to promote something more unseen that a lot of people are not seeing on the platform. And this is to create Animaker videos or software related videos. There are a ton of products out there on the internet that have really good affiliate programs. So maybe you know one product yourself or software that you use every day. You can look into it and see if they have an affiliate program. And if they do, you could start creating videos on TikTok, just like the one I just showed you, and basically create content around this particular software. You could create like a whole TikTok account just for this, just for that particular product. And I guarantee you, if you do this, you will start seeing amazing results if you stay very consistent and you take this very, very seriously. Once you pick a product to promote, you want to stay very consistent with this. You want to post as much as you can, maybe 5 or 6 videos a day. TikTok videos are usually 30 seconds long to 1 minute long at most. So they are not going to take you a lot of time to create those videos. You can literally create each video in like 1 or 2 minutes. So if you can create like 5 or 6 or 7 videos per day and upload them, you will really increase the chances of your videos going viral and generating a ton of views off of the platform, which will eventually lead to a lot of affiliate commissions for you. So there you go, guys. This was an awesome little strategy of making money online as a college student that I wanted to share with you. If you take this seriously, you can have amazing results. As I've said, this will only take you a few minutes to do every single day. You can do this as a side hustle, and who knows, maybe in a few months from now, you'll be making $3,000 a month, $5,000 a month. But it really depends on you taking action and being very serious with this. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because I post a lot of value quality content every single day. Don't forget to check the first link in the description as well for my #1 recommended way to get started online. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.